So this is important. Every year at the end of the season, one of the things you want to make sure to do with your lawnmower is clean out under the deck. The reason why we do that is because there's a lot of compacted grass that can occur over the year, and that causes rust in the long run. So let me show you what I mean. Check it out. See all that grass? That needs to go. Otherwise, it absorbs moisture and it will cause rust on your deck. You'll start getting holes in your deck. Now it's okay to tip your lawnmower to the side as long as you don't tip it too far to the side. Otherwise you're going to start to have gas and oil come out everywhere, and that's not good. So I just don't have it tipped over very much, and it'll be fine. Otherwise you want to lift your lawnmower from the front. So you can see that's a lot of grass. If it was wet, it would be a couple of pounds probably. As long as you didn't tip it too far to the side, it should still be okay to run.